The question is, has anyone had issues incorporating Vimeo videos into their LinkedIn company updates? Now, I have not used Vimeo a lot, but I do have a Vimeo account, and I did do a test, and I found that there is a timing issue putting a video on Vimeo and then sharing it to LinkedIn. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's my Vimeo account, and you can see this video is still optimizing. But if I grab the share link right here and I copy it, and then I go to LinkedIn and I try to add it, I'm on my company page right here, I'm in as an admin. If I try to add this, I'm going to get this error message here, and it's not going to display as I would like it to display. And it's actually not even going to play because it's still optimizing over there. So there's a timing issue. You can't do this too quickly. And at this point, you can see it's about ready to error out. And it's going to say cannot display. You can post it as is or try another link. Now, there's something else that I could do. Let me get rid of that URL. I can go back to Vimeo. Now, it's already optimized, but it's still not ready. So instead of grabbing this share link over here, I'm just going to simply grab this right here, Vimeo in the address bar right there, Vimeo managed videos and that number. So I'll copy that. Now, if I go to LinkedIn and I paste that, let's do testing. I paste that. Wait a moment. And again, this is all about a timing issue. If I wait a few more minutes, this whole problem goes away. Hang on a second. And now it's going to show something, but it's not going to show what I want to see. So I have to hit the pencil right here. I have to hit the edit button here or the image. And I have to go get the thumbnail image there. And I can fix that. And it shows pretty decently. But again, I hit done. Even though I shared the manage URL, when I hit post, you can see there it is right there. Now the cool thing is, if you look down the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, it says Vimeo.com manage videos. Now that you would think that's a public URL. No, excuse me, not a public URL, but watch when I click on it. Actually, I'll right-click and open in an incognito window, and you'll see that Vimeo changes it to just the number, and it will show the video and play the video as I would expect. However, again, this is just a timing issue. If you were to wait just a few more minutes, I'll delete this post, clear this out down here. If I go back to Vimeo now, and if I go to my library, this video right here, if I click on it, and I click on the share button over here, share the link and copy the link, this has been up for at least 10 minutes now. Now if I go share that, you'll see that it will resolve as I want it to resolve. And really interestingly, it doesn't give me the ability to edit the thumbnail, which is kind of interesting. But the thumbnail is there as I want it. And so now when I post that, the user is going to be able to get to that. There's no longer a timing issue. It's going to open up just as the other URL did. But again, I used the other URL because I wasn't patient. If I was patient, it would show up appropriately. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. Hope this is helpful for you.